Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to check out the Stage 3 exhaust mods on the TL. Let's go. So before we discuss the Stage 3 exhaust mod, let's go over the TL's OEM exhaust setup. Up front in the engine bay is the two catalytic converters, or precats. Then next is the J-pipe. There are upgrades that I could do for these parts, but I don't feel a need yet because I think the car has plenty of power for me. Next is the third cat. For mods, this could potentially be removed and straight piped. Next is the center pipe. With it is the resonator along with the mid muffler. These are the two parts that are being modded for the Stage 3 mod. After that is the Y pipe that splits into the mufflers. So that's what pretty much the Stage 3 exhaust mod is. Replace the mid muffler with a straight pipe and replace the resonator with a Dynamax one. The OEM resonator is a lot longer than the Dynamax resonator. The Dynamax resonator lets out enough of the exhaust tone while eliminating any raspiness. With that combo, the exhaust sounds pretty damn good. Let me further talk about the Stage 3 exhaust mod while I'll play some footage of me driving around. Hopefully you can hear the exhaust. Pretty much great bang for your buck if you want more sound. An aftermarket catback is the best way to go if you're after sound and performance. Also, I think the price tag for the exhaust systems for the 3rd gen TLs are pretty ridiculous. You gotta pay to play basically, and you only get a few extra horsepower, although they do sound pretty beastly. I went with the stage route simply because I wanted a little extra rumble. Straight piping would be way too loud for me, and the extra noise would attract more unwanted attention. Popos. You can just faintly hear the exhaust inside the car, but that's probably due to the great sound insulation of the TL. When hitting high RPMs or VTEC, I do hear the intake and engine more than the exhaust. All in all, the Stage 3 exhaust mod is very tame. Loud enough to be noticed, but not too loud to be obnoxious. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think of the Stage 3 exhaust mod. You guys like it? Have you done it? Let me know how you guys feel about it. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.